When it comes to building Squarespace websites, typically you're on a trial period. Now, if you're a Squarespace Platinum member like ourselves, you can have an extended trial period of around a year. But when you're not a Platinum member or Gold or below that, it can be quite frustrating as you'll only get a 15-day trial. Now, to extend that, there used to be two ways of doing it. You could either duplicate the site and it would reset the timer, or you could contact Squarespace support. But again, if it's quite busy, then you're not actually going to get through to them for a while, and it can be quite time consuming. I've recently found out that you can actually just extend your trial period by using this method, and it literally takes 2 seconds. So here's how you do it. So this is the quickest way to extend your trial on a Squarespace website. So what we're going to do is come over to the website. Now, it's important to note that your website must be expired for this to work. So what we'll do is we'll come over to our page here. You can see here the edit option is blocked off, so it's locked because the site has expired. And rather than me duplicating this website or going to Squarespace's support to extend this, what you do is you come to the top here in your URL, and all we're going to do is type in extend trial. So no gaps in that, just put extend trial at the top. You're going to hit enter. It's going to do some thinking. And then what we should see is a screen that says your trial has been successfully extended. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back. And what we should see, so at the bottom here, you'll see that your Circle extended trial expires in 365 days. Now, it's worth mentioning that depending on your Squarespace Circle level, you will have a longer or shorter time with that trial. But if you keep using this trick, that'll be fine. We are a Platinum member, meaning that we get the max amount of time of a year to let us noodle and play around. But if you keep just using that, at the end, that will extend your trial with Squarespace. Thank you for watching. If you need help with your Squarespace website, feel free to get in touch at pixelhaze.studio.